Now today I'd like to show you how Vibra-Stop works, and I'm going to give you a demonstration with our 2 through 10 horsepower pad. This is a small dinghy, an 8-foot dinghy with a brand new Tohatsu 6 horsepower motor. First of all, let's take a look at the pad itself, and you can see on the front side of the transom there is actually a hard pad there that accepts the clamps from the motor, and then the pad itself goes up and over the transom with a soft mount under the engine's mount. That's right here, and then it goes over the back side of the transom, and let's see if I can get this oriented so you can see it more clearly. There's the motor back of the transom, and there's a pad that the motor's mount is actually leaning on. And that pad is soft. It absorbs the pulses that are coming out of this motor when it's running. So these particular pads, these are unique, the 2 through 10, in that they come in a flat strip with a stainless backer, and they have to be screwed down to the top of the transom, and then we take a rubber mallet and shape them by shaping them back over the aft end of the boat, and then taking a mallet and shaping them to the inside of the boat, and then they're screwed in place, and some sealant needs to be put underneath them so that they don't weep water. And then what we do is also seal the holes up when we're finished, so that we get a nice flush looking job. So soon I'm going to launch this boat, and then I will show you how the pad itself, how effective it is. So here we are with this little dinghy in the water, and I've started this 6-horse Tohatsu 4-stroke, and you can see I've put an tiller extension on it here so that you can actually get a feel for just how much this outboard vibrates. And what you're seeing there is typical of every motor. On the ignition cycle, it fires, and that particular power pulse is what's just constantly pulsed into the boat. Now, outboard manufacturers do a pretty good job of putting in vibration dampening between the power head up here and the mount below, but it's not perfect. And what we've sought to do with Vibra-Stop is to greatly reduce or eliminate anything that's left in the way of residual vibration. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my hand and just show you right here. I can feel on the mount there's still pulsing going on. It's just pulse, pulse, pulse. Every time this motor turns over, it's just pulsing, pulsing. Put my hand here on the transom, and there's nothing. There's absolutely, completely void of any sensation whatsoever. So what's happening here is the Vibra-Stop pad has a proprietary synthetic material that takes up the vibration and does not retransmit it. So I'm going to throttle up the boat here, and I won't say anything while this is going on, but I'll see if I can photograph it so you can observe just what transpires. This process simply stays the same. The motor won't really smooth out much, to be honest with you, but I'll show you. Now here we are again with the motor in gear, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's my extension. That's coming up through the power head, and I'm going to throttle the engine up here a little bit. And as I throttle it up, it's about the same. The frequency just changes because the motor is running at a different speed, but the boat is absolutely void of any kind of vibration at all. That's all being taken up by the Vibra-Stop pads. So I've stopped the motor to improve our audio quality here, and to let you know, Vibra-Stop manufactures a full line of pads, from this small pad for the little 2 through 10 horse motors all the way on up to the 300 horsepower motors, and everything in between. If you go to our website, QWIKMARINE.com, it's Quick Marine, you'll see the entire line there. Very effective at isolating, reducing, and eliminating vibration from all types of outboard motors.